हेलो किड्स, स्वागत है आपका लर्न विद पहाड़ी में। आज हम सीखेंगे A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट। ABCDEF GHIJKL MNOPQR STUVWXYZ। ये है पर्पल कलर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। A for apple, A for apple. B for boy, B for boy. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for girl, G for girl. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for snake, S for snake. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.